Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Monday, all right? Monday, and your girl is just getting ready to step out. I know you guys will come and say that, Alma, this is your Monday waka. It's not my fault. People are always inviting me for things on Mondays, okay? Anyway, today I'm going to check out a new place opened in Abuja called Sketch Restaurant. So if you're active on Instagram, you should have seen some of your favorite Abuja influencers visit the place. So I'm going there right about now. I'm excited because I really love the vibe of the place. I've seen photographs of the place on Instagram. It legit looks like a sketched picture. Okay, it just feels like you're inside a 2D 3D drawing. That's how it looks. So I'm excited for that, and also most excited to try out the food as well. So I'm just trying to get ready. I'm not doing anything major with my makeup today. I'm just going to have simple makeup on, no lashes, just something really simple. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go. I'm wearing this top. Let me show you guys. This top I got from Chantel Chic Stars. It's a Shein top, but I got it from Chantel Chic Stars, and I really love this lace detailing. Like, I am so obsessed with it. I'm wearing it for the first time today. I've not worn it before. Then today I also tried out a new foundation. I tried out the NARS Natural Radiance Long Wear Foundation, and let me give you guys a backstory about how I got this foundation. I put it up on my Insta stories asking where in Nigeria I could get original NARS foundation and Huda Beauty foundation, and that was because I've always been wanting to get this foundation. And for the Huda Beauty, I had used it before and I wanted to get it again. I tried ordering from the Huda Beauty website, but my address wasn't coming out on the delivery page, so it was just a hassle. Then one of my subscribers reached out to me and was like, oh, I'm in the US, I can buy them for you in the US and bring them for you when I'm coming to Nigeria in November. And I was just like, okay, that's really nice. How do I send you money? She was like, no, she's going to buy it for me. I'm like, really? So yeah, finally I got it. She didn't get the Huda though, or maybe I just got only the NARS foundation. She was meant to get the NARS and the Huda, but she got me the NARS foundation, and I'm so grateful. This foundation is beautiful. I just love how it sits on my skin. Like, it's so lightweight. It is really lightweight. Like, I didn't even feel like I was applying foundation on my face. I didn't feel like I was applying foundation. I feel like I don't have anything on. It doesn't feel heavy, and I'm not even sure why I'm just jumping on the NARS bandwagon, to be honest, but it looks beautiful. When I was applying it, the color did look a bit greenish, like olive. It had like an olive undertone, but now that it has settled in with my powder and everything, it looks bomb. I love it. So thank you so much. You know yourself, so thank you so much for this. This is really thoughtful. I really appreciate this. I have like the best subscribers, the best followers. You guys don't have any idea. I have the best. Like, nobody can contest that one with me. I think I'll just order the Huda Beauty foundation. I'll try and order it again on the Huda Beauty website, because I know that they actually deliver to Nigeria. So I'm going to try and order it again, and hopefully I can find, I don't know why the delivery addresses are, I don't understand why, but I'll try. Anyways, let me go and you guys will come along as always. I've been rocking this hair for a while now. I love how it looks on me. Ooh, I love it. Makes me look like a doll, and I love it. Anyway guys, let's go. I just got here guys. It was a long drive. I don't know why town is still full. You people don't want to travel for Christmas in the Abuja. You people don't want to go home for Christmas. What's happening? Am I the only one who drives without shoes on? I learned like that, so I'm just used to driving without shoes on, but I'm wearing this red low-heeled shoes. I think it's a nice contrast with my blue top. Anyway guys, let's enter. beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I know you guys will be saying in your minds, Alma, so many car vlogs. See, it's just easier, especially when I'm on the move. I have to be moving around. It's easier to just like vlog from my car. But yeah, today is what, Wednesday the 22nd, and I told you guys I was going to give you an update on my help on Elizabeth. So Eliza is leaving us finally. Yeah, she's leaving us finally tomorrow, being the 23rd. And I have been dreading this time so much. I mean, she gave us ample notice. She told us since like April of this year that if she leaves in December, she will not be coming back. And I have really been dreading this time because I've gotten so used to her. I don't want to get emotional because I've gotten so used to her. I've said this on my channel a couple of times, a lot of times actually. She takes care of Mia like her own daughter, and I just was always wondering how she was so nurturing until we got to know that she was once married. So she's actually in her 30s. If you've been following me for a while, you will know this. She's in her 30s, like she's like in her 30s, okay, in her 30s, and she was once married. Marriage didn't work out for some really personal reasons. I don't want to talk about that here, but she has 2 kids, okay? She has 2 children, 2 boys, 7 years old and 10 years old, and we didn't even know this until April. I didn't ask when she first came, my mistake, but we only got to know in April that she does have 2 children. The children are with her father in the state that she's from, and to be quite honest, they over there have been like, see, do your thing, work if you want to work, the kids are fine here. But I mean, if you're a mom, you know that if you're not the one looking after your children, you will just be feeling, I don't know, somehow, you know. So yes, her dad is taking very good care of her kids, her boys are doing fine, but her mind is there, right? And as a mom, I totally and completely understand that. So yes, she is leaving us finally. In fact, I don't even know. See, you know how you're just so used to somebody, they know how you like your things being done, they don't give you stress. And I've said this times without number that Elizabeth is extremely proactive. She does things without being told. She never lets me do anything. The only thing I do in my house, guys, the only thing I do in my house is cook. I cook most of the meals that we eat, but every other chore, she does it. She will not be, Elizabeth will not be in the house and I'll be washing plates in the sink. She will not be in the house and I'll be cleaning my room. She will not be in the house and I'll be cleaning something or washing toilet or something. If she catches me doing anything, she gets upset with me. Yeah, she gets she gets angry with me for attempting to even do any chores. I can be in the middle of washing plates in the sink and she will take them from me with my sopping hands. She'll tell me that, auntie, please go and sit down, let me do my work. For the past almost 2 years, I mean, January would have made it 2 years if she's staying till January, but just call it 2 years, okay? She has been heaven sent. And Mia, in fact, at this point, she's Mia's second mother, because Mia cannot go an hour without calling Eliza's name, or you know, looking for Eliza. Eliza is downstairs doing something, she wants to be with Eliza. So I don't know, man, it's going to be tough. a tough transition, especially for Mia Rose, but I believe she'll be fine. I mean, there are times within the year she has traveled and she doesn't even ask of her. Maybe it's just little children innocence, but I believe at some point she will begin to ask of her. And yeah, I'm just I've been dreading this time, guys. I've been dreading it. You know how you just have somebody that does not give you stress, like somebody who just understands how you like your things being done and just does it that way. I don't talk too much. She doesn't make me talk, and I hate talking. I hate talking. So I don't know, guys. Throughout today, it's a day before she leaves, but throughout today she has been up and doing. I told her, leave all these things, you don't have to do all these things. I personally will do them tomorrow morning. I'll take out time and do them tomorrow morning. She was like, no, that she's going to do every single work she can possibly do today before she has to leave tomorrow. She's washed, she has been doing some washing, you know. See, I'm going to miss the heck out of her. Like, I'm going to miss the heck out of her. Anyway, I do have a new help that I'll be resuming next week, after Christmas. So Christmas is on Saturday. The new help should be coming in Tuesday or Wednesday, and she's much younger than Elizabeth, and I really hope that she also puts her head down and, you know, do the job. Because to be honest, Eliza made my life a lot easier. If I didn't have Eliza, I don't know how I would have been able to be this consistent on YouTube, on Instagram, just doing my job consistently. She has been there. Like, I can leave Eliza with Mia Rose for a couple of hours and I am sure that they are fine, you know. Anyway, the only constant thing in life is change. So as a mom, I completely understand that she has to go and be with her boys. She wants to be with her boys. I just want to go out now and run some errands. My husband and I are going to give her like a Christmas package, or like I call it farewell package. I even want to go to Sahad and buy some fabrics for her for Christmas, you know, and all that. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. Sad stuff, but it is what it is. I will miss her. She has promised to come back. According to her, she promised to come back when I give birth to my second baby, or just right before I give birth to my second baby, because she wants to come and, you know, do everything. And that's really thoughtful. Not many people, you know, not many people will do that for you or promise to do that for you. It just shows that, you know, we have grown beyond employer and employee. This is more like a sister kind of relationship. And yeah, I'm just happy that God made her cross our paths and made our paths cross. It's been, my husband even was asking me yesterday, so Eliza is going tomorrow, she will not come back again. I say, you don't see him now. Anyway, guys, that's it. Just thought to give you guys an update. I told her that my doors are always open to her. Anytime she wants to come around, my doors are open. She's more like family now. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me head out so that I don't stay out. I don't want to stay out beyond 6:30 or so. So let me head out. This is almost 4 p.m. I legit intentionally stayed home until this time because of this harsh crazy sun. So let me head out and do what I have to do, and yeah, let's go.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache.
Fabrics here are so gorgeous, like so pretty, beautiful colors, beautiful patterns, so gorgeous. Okay, I think I've picked the two that I love the most. Oh, this is so cute, so pretty. It's only 1,600. Oh wow, definitely getting this. Hi guys, so same day, later, much later in the evening. I'm just trying to finish editing this vlog. So we gave Eliza her Christmas package. She was moved to tears and I was trying so hard not to cry as well. We're going to miss her. We're going to miss her, that's for sure. That's for flipping sure. We're going to miss her. She was moved to tears. It was just doing her like she should not go anywhere again, you know, but it is what it is, sha. Anyway, on a lighter note, something lovely will be happening tomorrow and I'll let you guys in on it by the next vlog. In the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed watching today's Vlogmas video. We have just 2 more videos to the end of Vlogmas. Yay. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.
Diamonds blazing.